Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, let's take a look at a trade this morning that we had on Tesla, TSLA. This yellow line here represents the opening, and then it did a little bull pullback here, and now it's doing a high base. Hey, if we want to know more about a high base, you know where to go. FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com to our main page. Go to Chart School right here. This is a chart pattern, and we go right down here to high base. Click on that, takes us right to the page, shows us where we run up, and then we run across a line here of resistance, and some kind of significant line. In this case, it happens to be the $200 mark, $200 even dollar. Here's a just written description of a high base, and then you can actually print off and study it if you want there. And here's a couple of real life trades where we had a high base here and it broke out, and then here's one, and then look at that, broke out and just kept on going. So let's take a look here at what happened on Tesla, and again at opening here. So I had set my trade here. I said, oops, it's already started to pop up. I had my trade set right up here. Let's see what happens next, and boom, now I'm in at $200.96. I am long on TSLA. All right, I'm going to set a stop right here below the $200 mark. Why? Because that was support here. So I'm putting it right down here. That's about a 0.5% stop on it. I'm okay with that because normally I have a 1% stop, so much better to have less risk in a trade. So let's see if what happens next here. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, well, look at that, up over 202 now and on its way up. And so I'm going to pull my stop up here just a little bit to not quite to break even, but right here to that former line of resistance. And let's keep on trading here. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Now it's at 203. I have over 1% in the trade. I'm going to pull my stop up to break even and a couple of pennies. Now I have a guaranteed break-even trade, right? No money at risk. I'm playing only on the house's money now. Love it when that happens. All right, let's keep watching. Oh, it's doing a little bit of a pullback here. That's okay. And now look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Right up to 205 now. Again, I'm in around 201. It's up to 205. That's almost 2% in the trade. So I'm going to pull my stop up here, just on right here at the 202.50 area. That's where it swung down to and found support in there. So I'm going to leave my stop here for a little while. Now I have a guaranteed winning trade here. Nothing at risk. I love it. This is how you can just trade cool, calm, and collected, right? Boom, boom, boom. Now it's up here to 205. And it pulled back here again, just a little bit here to the 204.50 area. So I'm pulling my stop up now, locking in some of my profits. Not locking them in, but at least I'm going to be very close to it now. So right under here, I'm putting in another stop as it goes up there. Now I got to consolidate this down because it's just running so much, right? And here it goes. It's running up here. Now it's up here to near the 207. It does a pullback here, and then it pulls back. It's pulling back. It breaks there. Oh, but look at that. See, my stop is still here, so I'm good to go right here. That's just that last swing low. It didn't get me. I'm giving it lots of room. Why? Guaranteed winning trade. Why cut the trade off? Let it run. Oh, here we go. And it's running back up to new highs of day. I love it when this happens, and then it's pulling back. So now I'm going to pull my stop up here by this a 20 moving average right now, as it's been up here for the second time, new high of day. I don't want it to dip too much here. Let's hope that that holds out there. Boom, it's going up, it's going up. That's great, that's great. And we're just above the 206. Bam, got me out right there. See it? Snapped down here and got me out here at $206.13. I'm out TSLA. So let's look at this overall trade. I'm going to consolidate it down just a little bit here so we can see the whole trade. So we had a high base breakout, and then we just manage a trade. This is what we call a patience trade, letting our winner run. It did a little pullback, and I managed my stop. It did a little pullback, I managed my stop. It did a little bit bigger pullback, but I had left my stop there. Went up to a new high of day, pulling my stop up here, and then as soon as it broke down, it got me out. Actually, it broke the 50 moving average in this case, and I'm out at for 2.5% in 1 hour and 9 minutes. Hooah! Well, if you'd like to trade with us, you can do that. You just go to our site, FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, and go to the trading videos, which you probably are there right now, and right underneath where my video is posted, it says right here, want to day trade with me? And you can, 30 days for free. Just hit day trade. It'll take you out to our premium site at the GrokTrade.com, and here's all about the GrokStar Chat Room. And here's what I do. I call out the trades. You can set up with me. I'll show you my charts in the morning before the market opens, to which ones we're focusing on. I call them out and tell you exactly when I'm in and what I'm seeing as they're developing, so you can anticipate them. And again, you can do this, and here's all sorts of information about it. Just click here, order now, and you can fill it out. And again, the first 30 days is on us. And then after that, it's, I don't know, costs you about the price of 1 commission a day to be in the room. Mark the Meerkat suffering. Hey, just like in baseball, you have to take your foot off of first base in order to steal second. In other words, you always have to take a little bit of risk when you trade. Trade well.